Hello dear students and welcome back. In this section we will learn how to code in Lua. Now Lua is a programming language, a scripting programming language, and it's very awesome. It have many uses. Now for me the reason I learned Lua is to use it with Nmap. So it's very powerful programming language which we can use it for many things, but the primary focus for me again was for ethical hacking and for network penetration testing and so on. So I use Lua to write Nmap scripts with the NSE. So we will not be talking about NSE in this section. It will be in another section, a dedicated section on how to write Nmap script. But here we'll learn the programming language itself. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is before going into coding, we need place to code for Lua, right? So where we do that, you have two options. You can use online editor like this one from tutorials point. You can use this while you are learning. If you don't want to install anything on your PC, this will work perfectly fine. The other option is to download Lua. If you go to lua.org, then go to download. From here, go to get binary. And from here, go to download. And here, since I am on Windows 4-bit, I will download this file. Right, guys? So it will take me to SourceForge, I believe, yeah. And here it will start downloading shortly. So it's completed. Open the file. And you can see we have these files here. So I will select them all, cut, go to C, create a new file here. Oh, sorry, a new folder. I will call this Lua and open, paste, right? So now we have the necessary files to execute a Lua scripts. Now, what I want to do, I want to take this file path here, copy that, go to search, edit system environment variables. From here, environment variables, and here go to path, new, not new, actually edit, and add a new, right? Okay. Now down here, do the same thing, edit, new, and paste. Okay, so let's just check that very quickly. Yeah. So now we have Lua. So if we open command prompt here and type Lua 5.4, we have Lua successfully installed and we can start using it. So we can start typing something and it will work perfectly fine. Now we have that part configured. Now I will close this and I want to go to this folder. Create any folder you want, and inside this folder, right click, don't worry about these for now, right click and open with code. Now if you don't have VSCode installed, you need to install it. So just go ahead and type download VSCode, and from here you can download it. Like that. You can download it from Mac, Linux, and Windows. If you are on Windows 64, download this option. This will be user installer, system installer, and you can download it as zip or command line interface, right? Or for 32 bits. So you have these options, install it, and you will be ready to go. Now here in this folder, I name this code, right click and open with code. And it's opening. Now it will ask you to trust this. Yes, I trust. And now you can see we have this folder opened in VS Code, and we have these two files. Now this is just a simple file called script.lua. So Lua code will be inside script, and the script is called, or have the extension .lua. You can name it anything you want, the file name here. All right. So you can do the exact thing. Sorry, the exact same thing here. So print Lua, for example. Now, how we can run this? If you right click, we don't have any option anywhere to run this. So if we go here and we go to run, we will find option like I think it's in terminal. Yeah, run build task. All right. If we select this, it will tell you that select the build task to run, right? And here you have this option, no build task to run found, configure a build task. Yes, configure. And from here, create tasks.json file. Now, before doing that, I have this file here and it contains this data. Now, let me copy that before doing anything with that. I just want to copy that, close it. In your case, you don't have this file, so just follow me, all right? So terminal, run build task, configure, create task.json. Now none of these, so I will select the last option, others. And here is the file created, and you can see it's inside a folder called VSCode, starts with period here. So I will select everything, delete it, and paste this code here, or not code, this JSON data. Now, as you can see, now I have this. I come back here and go back here, go to run, not run, run build task. And now you can see it should run and print Lua. So perfect. As you can see, now we have Lua configured to work with VSCode. Now this file here, or this data here, it will be a file with the video, so you can download it in the resource section. So don't worry about that. I have you covered here.